Hi guys, VNSP Tech VST. One more thing I want to show you today. One more thing. I put already a video. It's the truth, my truth about the OnePlus Nord, right? So you can check it here. But I have one more thing for you, one more video. Let me show you. You might as well know what it is. It's called Google One. Yeah, it is the cloud storage service from Google, right? You can back up your photos there, you can back up your videos there, you can back up your message, your device data, and of course it's stored on the Google One storage, right? And it's not for free, of course. And I mean, what can I say? It's Google, right? You can restore your settings and your photos and everything else, you know, from one phone to another phone because it's Google, right? But apparently it's not free. But let me show you guys one trick. I will now install the Google One on my OnePlus 8 Pro, and actually this is the reason why I'm doing this video. It's gonna be a very quick and dirty video because I kept only 4% on my main shooter, right? So very quick. Installing, opening it. Alright, and here, boom, Google One, alright? You see all the nice logos and the animations here. See your storage across Drive, Gmail, photos and more, okay. There is even more. Call, email or chat with Google experts so you get the nice supports and access your member benefits, and then press get started, right? And guys, this is the moment I want to show to you. Right, you see? Try Google One on us, 100 GB of storage, access to Google experts and extra benefits, so you get 3 months, which is really much a trial. Instead of paying €2 per month, like almost $2 per month, for OnePlus customers exclusive. Alright, so how crazy is this? Right, I'm just gonna get confirmed. And boom guys, here it is. We have here the Google One. I can see right now that my device has been backed up 4 hours ago, so I have my device data already. I can see the amount of storage. I have now 8 GB already used, and I have 100 GB. When you click here to see details, you're gonna go to the second tab, which is the storage tab, and there you can see that you have the Google Drive information, the Gmail information, and also the Google Photos. And what you also can see here is your current plan. Right now, again, I'm using these free 100 GB, but they'll cost you €2, so they'll set you back €2 per month, which I think still is a fair price. There are even more plans, so you can go 200G for like €3 per month, and if you want to get like to play with the big boys, you can go up to 30 TB per month, and the price is €160 or something like that. Of course, you have benefits, right? And when you go on the benefits, you can check your history right now. I don't have any benefits because I already started to use the service, and I don't have any benefits that I have redeemed. Here, guys, you have the support, and that's really crazy. You see, if I hit the chat button here, I'm gonna have to wait only 2 to 3 minutes, and then somebody from Google is gonna be available, and they'll really chat with myself and provide support. And its email is 24 hours. I think the chat is also set to be 24-hour support, so it is a non-stop support, and conversation will be with a Google expert who speaks English, but you can go and select Russian, Turkish language, and also German, right? And then of course you have settings, and in the settings you can see you have plenty of options. You can add family members and do all this nice stuff. So the Google One, again, I promise you this to be a short video, so this has been the Google One. And guys, if you are a OnePlus customer, you can start your 100 GB free trial for 3 months whenever you download the application. I really hope that this video was useful for you. If that's the case and you like the video, please subscribe for my channel and hit the like button. VST over and bye.